Score of 770 by one of the students on this day. So hi Vivek, first of all, congratulations for the score that you got, and very, very happy to have you here. And he got a score of Quant 51 and Verbal 44. And he said that the exam was quite straightforward and easy for him. So let me invite his views and how he found it. Vivek, can you just tell us, please, how it was for you, the whole experience, the preparation experience, and the exam experience?
Before beginning to tell anything about my strategy of how I prepared, I would like to thank Sandeep sir. Like, like trust me, a lot of his mentoring and a lot of his guidance, along with the kind of material that is provided, is was the only way I could actually have ever thought that I could score some probably above 750 and come to this kind of score. I came across top 1%. I joined the online classes, and then I started beginning preparation. So straight from the the time I joined, I made sure that I was actually dedicated. I gave my 3 hours or 4 hours a day every day. I work for a corporate. I work for Deutsche Bank. I used to study at night, and I used to make sure that even if I'm exhausted, I have to make sure that I study for 3 hours straight, because that is what is actually important. I have followed each and every method, that each and every guidance that that sir has provided, exactly the way that he has told. You have to actually follow the straight pattern. You don't need to think anything else, just follow. And wherever and anywhere you feel that probably you are not able to understand something, and you're feeling difficulty, the best part is you can always approach Sandeep sir, and he'll always be there. He'll always help you out. He'll always explain you. He'll also talk to you. So that is something which is that is something that really helped me a lot. In the verbal section, I was fine with CR. Actually, I had great trouble with SC and RC. So while I was actually giving my examination, I mean, I did not find any question that I have not seen before. So even like, it was very surprising. Some of the questions were actually very similar, only with changed values. So even there were some questions like that. And
So nothing unusual.
nothing unusual, not at all, not at all, not even in RC, not even in SC. I mean, it was kind of pattern that I have actually been following. It was like that. It was like solving a pattern. RC is a place where you cannot afford to do any mistake. And one of the strategies that is mentioned in Octave, in Octave and also in the booklet for the preparation, is that you need to make a habit of understanding the passage at at the first go. So that is, I feel, the
Yeah,
most
don't
important.
reread. Don't reread is
Don't
what I say.
reread. We have to stop that habit.
Yeah.
Until unless we do that, the timing factor will never go away. I only gave the two tests that I just I just given two mock tests that were the free ones. In the first 10 questions, you're not supposed to make any mistake no matter what. That is non-negotiable, and you have to master that. I consulted sir, and what he advised me was continuously for 2 days. In 2 days, I was able to solve 100 passages, and that was the turning point that gave me, that gave me the confidence that
So I remember that call very well. Great, Vivek. Great having you here in that case. And let's keep in touch. I hope you're starting with your admissions process as well with my
yes sir,
consultant. And
yes sir,
thank you for your time.